Backyard Adventure. Mowing with Moyer. Take the Y out of Moyer, put in a W, and you have mower. Rolling. Low rider, ride a little lower. Just check and make sure I didn't run over the bird. She's fine. So, a little baby blue jay, and he's been up in that pine tree right there for a couple of weeks. And now he's down here. He's not lost. He is not injured. He is just hanging out. He needs a few tail feathers to. Now, Mama Jay is up in the tree up there, and she is freaking out right now. She thinks her little baby's about to get eaten, but I don't really like it. So, blue jay, so there's a nice close shot here. So, what do you think? Huh? You ready to fly away? Need some tail feathers. What's that? What's up? Yeah. Contrary to popular belief, Mom will not abandon this baby because I'm down here. Yeah, I know. So, life goes on here in the old tornado-ravaged backyard. I better get out of here before Mom comes down and starts pecking at my head, because I'm surprised it's not happening right now. The Mom and Dad have been terrorizing the hawk that lives up in that pine tree behind the house. The hawk goes up there, and they just go up relentlessly all day long and just pound into the side of. Here, there's a spider. You want the spider? Here. Oh, he's gone. It is crazy to watch Mom and Dad terrorize that hawk all day long, and they never shut up. So anyway, I will name you Frank. Bye, Frank. Say goodbye to everybody. So we're at the creek. I haven't seen a snapping turtle since the other night when she arrived. Looking, she's around somewhere. I think sometimes she goes up into that skunk weed and lays her eggs, or she might have made her way up to the golf course now. Not really sure where she goes from here, but she arrives mid-May every year like clockwork. So got some clearing done with the help of some guy named Bill, who showed up out of nowhere with a machine and said, "Can I take some of your logs?" And I was like, yeah. So, shout out to Bill. Okay then. Still out here. I know, yeah. I have nothing for you. Oh, there's Mom. I better put her down. There she is right there. Right over here. I'm gonna put her right over here. Oh, I'm in trouble now. She was up on the driveway, so I wanted to put her down here. I made a little spot for her. Oh, there's Mom and Dad. I'm in big trouble. I better get out of here.